Hello, 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 and welcome to another installment of Hey HR. Today we're going to be talking about school parental leave. This is a leave where you as parents are eligible to leave based on school activities. As of August 2019, there are various states that were granted this option to include California, District of Columbia, Illinois, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Nevada, North Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont. So, what does this mean for me as a parent? Well, some of you have already gone to your graduations for your children or certain school activities. What this means is that your job, should you have lived in one of those states, and I'll make sure to put the states down below, that you are eligible for a certain amount of time per year to leave, meaning California, you're eligible for 40 hours per year, no more than 8 hours a month, as well as somewhere like Nevada, where you're only eligible for 4 hours a year, and you can take 1 hour, depending on the time of year that you take it, in increments. So what does that look like? You have to be with the organization for a certain amount of time, depending on the state. There are also requirements, meaning you have to show proof of the activity. So you also have to ask for this request in advance. Some states require 24 to 48 hours. Some states require 10 to 14 days advance notice. So you do have to follow those requirements based on the states. Employers, it is your due diligence to find these laws, look at these laws, and incorporate them into your policies so that there is no disparity. Also, please ensure that you understand, employees and employers, you do have the right to deny these requests if they are not submitted on time, if they have been submitted without the proper documentation or paperwork attached to it. But the reason for denial needs to be accurate and not based on any type of discriminatory feelings or acts or anything of that nature. So be fair. Look at the law, make sure that you're doing the right thing by your employers and employees. So you may use PTO, you may use vacation. Unfortunately, you cannot use sick time. This does not fall in the sick category. Your employer can ask you for proof, a program, some type of pictures, something that shows that this was a school-related activity, even down to a school meeting request, should your child have to see the principal per se. But you as an employee are granted these rights, and you are protected against retaliation, demotion, anything that is seen as retaliatory should you utilize this time. So ask your employer about it. Employers, if you do not have this in your policy, I suggest that you do it because it will protect you from any type of problems that may arise in the future when it comes to school-related activities for parents who need time off. So employees, don't let your boss tell you they're doing you a favor. Don't let your boss tell you that they don't have such type of a law. If you're in the states that I mentioned, this law is for you and you're eligible for it, again, depending on how many employees your company has and how long you've been with the company. If you have any questions, DM me. And that is all I have. Have a wonderful day. Bye.